After so long, after 24 hours of grinding, I have become the honored one. Guys, welcome back. And I think you have probably seen I Become the Greatest Swordsman series, which is now renamed to what 24 hours can get you in MemeC, and this is the full collection of it. And this is actually not my account, as you can see here, Pucklean God OP. It's my bro's account. His birthday is coming at November 21st, I think his birthday, so this is gonna surprise him as well. And guys, this is what 24 hours, as you can see, I go here in profile, it's almost 24 hours grinding in MemeC. This is what you can get. So I was already max, and this were 24 hours. I got max, I was already max, and I did most of the grinding AFK. I just recorded, and I recorded all of the parts. So if this video gets 50 likes, only 50 likes, then I will show you how I grinded, and all the footage I will upload. So let's start with the inventory. First, let's start with the weapons. As you can see, all of the weapons are unlocked. Hanger, katana, banana, flame katana, 2 flame katanas, card, pink hammer, bonk, pixel sword, yellow blade, portal, pumpkin weapon, and purple katana, and popcat and floppa weapon as well. And this is my favorite weapon, as you can see. And I got, wait, let me show you. I got all the aura colors except for Spectrum, and I got the snowy as well, guys, as you can see. But my personal favorite is Scarlet or Spectrum, always. But Scarlet is also my favorite, bro. Look at that. But my brother likes Azure. He likes blue, so we are gonna do it Azure. Now we have the Floppa power equipped. You can see, guys, Malevolent Shrine. Now let's move on to the accessories. I will do a showdown. All of them: Egg Doge, Floppa Hat, Obamid, Giant Banana, Sus Face, Popcat Pet, Rick Body, Mr. Beast, Mobile Face, Suspense, Pumpkinhead, 2 Pumpkinheads actually, bros. That is actually very hard to get. And Noob Friend, that is my equipped accessory. And let's move on to the power. Every single power, as you can see, and yeah, every single power. Now let's move on to the items. 10 meme cubes. As you can see, I hunted like actually more than 10 meme beasts, but they don't have 100% chance of dropping the meme cube, guys. I got the ball, but I didn't get the ball of fighting style. It was just taking so long. As you can see, the bounty 174k, and main is like 200k or something. 99 Cheems Cola, 5 money bags, 1 flame orb, 6 cat food, 12 nugget mans, as you can see, bros. Crazy. Saucy orb, 1 saucy orb, 5 noob heads, bros. 2 quest scrolls, 1 awakening orb, 10 meme cubes. I already showed you that. So this is, I didn't get him all game passes because, bro, it would take much more time. And if you see here, to honor the 24-hour challenge, I did the 24 million and 24k gems as well. And let's go here. Total money, see, 100 million plus gems, almost 100k plus. Peninsula combat weapon, power, flopper skill, champ skill, bros. This account is fully stacked, bros, now. And I'm gonna give him some drip as well later, but at exactly 24 hours we will end this vid. So let's just dominate. Like, I got him instinct level, I think 2 or 3. No, aura level max and instinct also max. I got him, bro. It took me so long in my main to get max instinct, and I got him that, bro. As you can see, I grinded a lot in this account, bros. Boom, boom, yeah, boom, kaboom. And let's spin a few aura colors. I'm gonna get exactly 10 gems. Now give me 4. Yeah, nice. Okay, now let's drop the 12 to 19. Confirm. Let's drop the money back here. Let's go to there, and yeah guys, now let's end the video. Okay, wait, let's end the video, guys. Bye bye.